Good morning, class. So today we are going to learn a very important topic in our standard 8th. So I'll be displaying some images and you have to observe them carefully, and I'm going to tell you a story.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, students. So this is an image of a mall, okay, and it has various products in it. The other image is of beach where its amazing sunset happens around us. Here, this is the image of where we learn and we study, which is nothing but the classroom. And this is a place which is nothing else but railway station where the departure of train takes place. And this is where we all love to go to play and have fun with our friends. And this is a place which is nothing else but airport where we go to take off our planes and to visit to various places around us. Yes, students, so we observed all these images, but in spite the beauty of all these places, it was incomplete, right? And it seems that something was missing from it. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so there were nothing but no humans were visible in all these pictures, and this world is beautiful only and only because of the human beings around us. If human beings are not there, then I don't think so that we'll be able to socialize, interact, and have fun around us. So, which means that human beings are the most important part in the world. Do you agree with me or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, where there are human beings around us for us to play with, to love, to care, and also to fight with. So, today we are going to learn the similar topic where human beings are the most essential element and how they are segregated and categorized. So today in our class we are going to learn the very important topic population and how the population is helpful to impact in our society. So students, this is a map of India, and as we all are aware that India is the most populated country of the world. We have even overtook China for the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and now we are going to understand the various elements of population. First of all, students, I want you all to tell me that what do we mean by population?
Number of people of around us is known as population of different religious castes and grades.
Yes, okay, so you are partially correct. So population is nothing but the number of people around us in a particular place in order to survive with each other. Now, do you know what is birth rate, students?
Birth rate. Ma'am, maybe I am wrong, but birth rate is the thousand of people life
Okay,
of
yes,
birth.
you can try. Yes, so the total number of births that take place around us is nothing but the birth rate. Now, death rate is completely opposite of the same. So, what could be death rate, students?
Then thousand number of people dies.
Okay.
Maybe it is called as birth rate.
So, let us see that whether you are right or wrong. So, here death rate means that when the people die in a particular place in a particular order is nothing but death rate. So always remember that birth rate and death rate are completely opposite to each other. Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what could be life expectancy according to you?
Life expectancy
Yes.
means, ma'am, it may be like means I assume that I will be
Yes, you can try.
live till this number of age.
Okay, so life expectancy means nothing but how much the people are able to survive, or the average number of years where the people can survive and be with each other. So now and what do we mean by migration over here, students?
Ma'am, I know. Migration means the individuals or group of people shift to one country to another country for their needs or jobs, education, etc.
Yes, okay, so you were correct. So migration is the movement of people from one place to another for various reasons. So now let us understand all these concepts in detail. Yes, so birth rate is nothing but the number of live births per 1000 people in a year is the birth rate. Again, as we know, the death rate is completely opposite, which means that the number of deaths per 1000 people in a year which takes place. The life expectancy is the average number of years the people are going to live from their birth till death. As we can also observe in this image that there's a baby, the baby is going to school. Now from school the person will be going to college, then again for the job, then the person will get married and being settled in his or her family and then getting old. So this is nothing but the life expectancy of an individual. And now the migration. Now migration is again the movement of, might be an individual or a whole group out of an area or into an area, is nothing but migration. During COVID-19 we have experienced migration on the huge level around us. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now migration could be people coming in a country or people going out to a country. Also within a country also migration takes place from one state to another. However, in detail we are going to learn in our next class. So now the next is the population distribution. So is the population same everywhere around us, students?
No, ma'am.
Exactly. So population differs from place to place. Here population, for example in India, is too much, it's too high. But for example a country like Australia, population is very less. So this is nothing but the population distribution. However, there are various factors which affects the population. Let us understand each factors. So the first one is the physical factor. So in physical factors there are various parts such as the location, relief, climate, soil and mineral resources. So this all contributes towards how the population is changed or transformed or affected, but only the physically the changes or the distribution takes place in a particular place. Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Now the second one is the economic factors. Here various factors such as agriculture, industry, urbanization, transport and markets. For example, anything which is related to the economy of a particular place due to which the population is affected or survive or can survive is nothing but the economic factors. Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.
The next is also the political factors, which are nothing but wars, political instability and government policies. Now here there are various parties, also various problems. For in India, it's especially the parliament or the ruling party which affects the population. So whether a person likes or not the government, they reside in a particular place. And the next one is nothing but the social factors such as race, religion, language, custom and traditions. So whether the person likes to reside with the religion, race or people around them, accordingly only they like to stay in a particular place. So these are the various factors affecting the population. Understood, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us recap what we have learned today. So we learnt about what is population and also the population growth, birth, death, life expectancy and migration. And after that we understood the various factors such as physical, economic, political and social, and how they are directly or indirectly related for the population. Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll be asking you some questions and you have to answer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So the first is what shows the number of lives birth per 1,000 people in a year?
Birth rate.
Very good. Now, what is the term for the movement of individuals into a region known as?
In migration.
Yes. Now, could you elaborate for me the difference between birth rate and death rate in your own words?
Okay, ma'am, I will try. Birth rate shows how fast new people are being added to the population.
Okay.
And for the death rate, it shows how fast people are dying and leaving the population.
Absolutely correct. Now, what are the social factors affecting population?
Social factor. Religion are the social factors affecting population.
Absolutely correct. So, in the next class, we are going to continue with this topic. Thank you.